Alright guys, so today I'm making my green seasoning. So I'm just gonna go ahead and share this recipe with you guys. So I got some green onions, some culantro, 2 stalks of celery, some parsley, fresh thyme, got an onion, Scotch bonnet, and this is optional guys. If you don't want it spicy, please leave that out, and some garlic. Alright, may or may not need a little bit of olive oil, but we will see when we get there. So let's go ahead and get all this stuff cut and ready. Alright guys, so we're going to start with our onion. Just going to go ahead and cut them up. Alright, make sure you get like a bowl because we're going to use our emulsion blender. The garlic you could leave them whole, just a rough chop. This season works for anything guys, and I'm going to use 2 pepper because if you guys know me by now, you know I like stuff spicy. Just going to cut them. Trying to take out some of the seeds. It's okay if some of the seeds get in there also, because as I said, we're going to grind up everything. Everything's going to get blended up. Oh, you could smell that. That's hot. Get the stem off. I'm going to get out some of the seeds. Alright. Celery. I got some thyme. The fresher the thyme, the better. You could go ahead and take off the sticks. You don't want to damage your blender. The stick is too tough, so remove that piece. And the thinner ones are okay because you could blend those. You just want to get off as much as you can. You don't want to use dry thyme for this one guys, you want to use fresh. Anything at all you want to use for this recipe, we're using fresh, nothing dry. Everything going to be fresh. Alright. And you could add other stuff to this guys. Rosemary would be a good addition. It's a rough chop. Cilantro, I'm going to add culantro, but you could add cilantro if you want. Alright. I'm going to add some green onions. Like rough chop, put them in there. We have our culantro. I'm going to remove the end. I'm going to add that bad boy in there. And our parsley. Parsley, you want to use everything. You wash, make sure it's good. Even the stem you want to add. I'm not wasting anything for this one, guys. We're using everything. Alright. Well, that's it, guys. That's it. Now we're going to go ahead on the fun parts. We're going to blend everything up, make our green seasoning. Alright, guys. Everything is cut up, ready to go. We're going to get our blender. We're just going to pulse this until we're take time guys, take patience. And if needed you could add some olive oil. I think I'm going to go and add some oil to this one. So this is what you're looking for. Now you want it to have a little bit of the chunk, but not too chunky. So that's how I make my own green season from scratch, guys. Easy and simple. So make sure you got a good blender, else you're gonna be here all day. Alright guys, so I'm gonna just transfer this to a jar. We're just going to